Here's some video of our first 6 foals taken on May 16th, 2013. The Yawning Filly is by my smart little sign mare. She's already sold to Stephanie Bray of Joliet, Montana. The filly laying down is the one we call Miss Cuteness. She's out of my Mighty Shield daughter, done by Shield. That's the mare. All these foals are by Sunset Dreaming, who's by Rocket Finder. With Zorky Sunset on the dam side. Miss Cuteness was born in February, so she's a lot older than the others. The farthest filly here is out of my James Bond bred mare. She's a homozygous bay no cap or near few spot. Miss Cuteness is a bay dun leopard. Anyhow, the 3 fillies are all together. This few spot colt's having a nap. He's out of my Maid's Dream bred mare. I believe him to be a red dun few spot. The smart little sign bred filly just woke up from a nap, so she thinks everybody else should get up and play with her now. Miss Cuteness says, "I'm tired." The filly just got the bay one up. She pawed at her till she stood up. But I missed that on camera. This filly's dam is over here. She's a Gruya. In fact, she's also a daughter of Done by Shield, the dun mare up here on the top. Keep at it, you'll get her up. Yeah, let's paw her. She should get up, shouldn't she? You're awake, everybody should be awake. Over here we have some of the boys. Sorry for the camera jiggling. The buckskin leopard, he's still for sale. He's out of Just a Mighty Miracle. He's the youngest foal up here right now. We still have one more foal to come, but that mare looks pretty late. This colt is by Virtuous, or out of Virtuous. He's sold and going to Oregon to Jamie, and I might butcher your name. I think it's pronounced probably Kinetic. He's only about maybe 2 weeks old, and he is quite the powerhouse already. Hey, man. Just newsy time of day, I guess. Hi, buddy. I love the dark stripe on his neck. He really wants to nurse, and Mama don't want her to. Are you being lazy, little boy? A little while ago he was bucking and playing when I didn't have my camera ready. Let's see if we can get the buckskin to stand up. Hey, little man. Are you sleepyhead? Huh, buddy? Hi, little man. Huh? This camera can't change the focus. These buckskins are hard to get a good picture of. Their spots are so pale. Got stockings on the hind, lightning marks on the front. There we go. Here, boy. Yeah, you're a pretty boy. This is the dirty dad to them all. Sunset Dreamin'. We had a little rain this morning and he evidently took advantage of it. One more baby to try to get up. Well, I guess Miss Cuteness hasn't got up yet either. Now these two are both sleeping. Must be what they call dog day afternoon. Hey there, man. He's snoring. I don't know if I've ever heard a colt snoring before. Mama, she says, you leave my sleeping baby alone. There you are, Mr. Pretty Face. Oh, the stretch. Yes, there's nothing left to do but get Miss Cuteness awake, maybe. She's been in older videos, at least. Miss Cuteness, you two look pretty sleepy. What a pair you two are. Is this a slumber party? Oh, Miss Cuteness. Oh, did you have enough rest now? The little one doesn't know if she does or not. It's going to be really hard to part with this filly. I really, really like her. Oh, girl. There you go, Smoky filly. Got itches. Like her little black spot on her butt. Oh, let it itch. Don't let it itch. You can itch it. She's gonna go find Mama.